পছন্দ না হলে খাবা না।
হ্যাঁ আমার তো নতুন কিছু ট্রাই করব। এটা পিছনে এরকম কেন? ও
Oh my god. Accident হইছে কিন্তু
না
accident হইছে already.
What happened to them?
Already accident হইছে আমাদের চোখের সামনে।
আমাদের সাথে clash হয়।
They have used some discounts around making charges, which is typically over and above.
Okay, wow.
Order a ring for my wife. Her birthday is coming.
That car! Oh. That guy's still going. Must really have somewhere to go, huh? Oh! You get what you deserve, you. Now keep going, Get it. You got your camera on. Get his ass. Keep going. Keep going. Get his.
There's a car next to me. I can't.
What a. Is that the guy that was hit?
Yeah.
Wait, well, how was he hit on the left back side?
Because that car was smashing in the.
What's that? No.
Is he running our plates? Do you think?
Probably.
Yeah.
Oh, he's pulling me over. I was doing 67. Oh, brother.
Well, we're Oklahoma.
Yeah. Okay, I get the.
How's it going, Officer Willis, State Police?
Good.
Yes, sir.
The reason why I pulled you over, I remember speed going 85 and a 65. Any reason for the rush?
What'd you say, sir?
85 and a 65.
I was doing 60. Sir, I was doing 66, I think.
Were you?
In the 65, yeah.
Okay, could have been the vehicle in front of you.
But it wasn't me, sir.
I'll give you benefit of the doubt. You can have a good day.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Stopping to participate in that bush. That's what happened.
calling the cops. I'm calling my baby mama. I'm calling everyone I need right now. I'm so happy you're all right.
I don't know if I'm... Oh, did you see that? Yeah. Didn't even use a brake lights.
They talk about the Republicans having a backbone. When are they going to get a backbone and start pushing?
Well, you're not going to get it from Joe Biden, who told everyone he was a moderate and then becomes a puppet of the squad. You're not going to get it with Nancy Pelosi, who would capitulate to anyone to keep the speakership, including Ocasio-Cortez and the foul-mouthed Rashida Tlaib.
What are you doing?
California? No. I thought I was trying to look at the color of the plate and I couldn't read it. It's a long word, so yeah. Oh!
It has been very important in terms of the financial situation and the economic macro stability.